Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Matt Moore.
Well, we do not have an excessive heat warning here in the Susquehanna Valley, but we do have a heat advisory. Excessive heat warning is that next step up. It's even more dangerous when we get to those levels, and we may get to that level here later on this coming week. I'll have more on that in the 7-day coming up, but things are just heating up here in Lancaster. Taking a live look. Sunshine, hazy skies, and the temps really not all that bad. It's 89, but when you factor in the dew points, which are pretty much outrageous for this area here in the upper 70s, we don't really get dew points that high that often. It's coming in with a heat index or feels like temperature of over 100 degrees right now, feeling like 102, even with a northwest breeze. So again, here's our heat advisory for the rest of today through 7 o'clock this evening for all of the counties here shaded in orange. Notice it's the bigger cities that are included in here. There's a little bit of that urban heat island effect going on where it's a little warmer in some of the big cities, more asphalt and streets and things like that, where even bigger city, Philadelphia, through the 95 corridor under that excessive heat warning where heat advisories could go over 105 today. So again, current temps are sitting in the upper 80s to low 90s, and we do have those high dew points making it feel a lot hotter. It feels like over 100 again in both Lancaster and also into Reading, close to that in Carlisle. Also seeing some upper 90s elsewhere here in the Susquehanna Valley for those heat index values. Satellite and radar not showing a whole lot right now, but there are a couple of little downpours popping up near Bedford, and it's that activity we continue or expect to continue to grow and maybe a little bit more coverage, more widespread for us later on today. So scattered thunderstorms are expected to roll through. The highest chances of rain will probably be closer to the evening hours here as we see the remnants of what was Hurricane Barry, then Tropical Storm Barry, then nothing, but the remnants of the storm moving our way here as we go through the rest of the afternoon and evening, and that's going to lead to heavy rain being possible today. So we've thrown that impact icon in for not only the heat today, but also the chance of some flash flooding. More on that in a second. But any storms we still have here into the early parts of tonight will be wrapping up and ending. Looks like a muggy night ahead with lows in the 70s. And then tomorrow looks like another warm day. Not quite as hot as today, though, and a chance of a few showers or storms. I think a lot more clouds tomorrow than what we are seeing today. So again, here's that remnant low pressure. You can see that little spin there in the Ohio Valley. That's what's left of Barry and the remnant moisture along with it. But there is just a ton of moisture for this system to work with here. Look at these dew point values across the mid-Atlantic, just downright tropical. This is what you typically see along the tropics, places like Florida into Texas along the Gulf Coast. These are the type of dew points that they're used to seeing, but not here, and that is leading to those higher heat index values. It could also lead to some waterlogged storms. So as the heavy rain comes down, it drags a lot of air with it, and you can get some of these heavier bursts of wind. And so for that reason, there's a little bit of a severe risk in the form of a slight risk from the Storm Prediction Center for our northeastern counties. It's also those areas where there is a flood watch, and that does include our eastern counties from 2 o'clock until later on tonight. So here's a look at the storm chances that will develop later on today. You can see a little more coverage here later on this evening as this system works through, and then things just sort of settle down for us. But then from there, we'll be tracking the heat, and it will get hot here as we go through the next couple of days. Near 90 tomorrow, and then starting to see those temperatures warming up quickly, especially here as we head into the end of the work week, heading into the mid-90s for those temperatures. Heat index values even hotter. So steamy all the way across the board here into the weekend. Looks like the weekend, though, will feature the hottest weather that we are to see. So look at that. We're seeing 94, 96, 94 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's on Saturday that I could see heat index values near 110 degrees. So you just want to be careful there. Impact icons in for that. The cool down towards the start of this coming work week, and looks like we'll start to dry things out and cool things off by Tuesday, more comfortable then. But until then, it's going to be hot for us. So just get ready for it.
Right. Take it easy.
And potentially dangerous too.
Yeah,
so
it
be ready.
absolutely is. All
That's
right. Thank you, Matt.